Brand new company review here to the channel, guys. We've got WesWy Beard Company out of my home state of North Carolina. So we'll get into that in just a second. So welcome, my name's Brian. This is my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we try to help you grow your best beard possible. Thank you for joining me. How's your No Shave November going? Mine's going pretty well. I don't know if you remember, about 3 weeks ago, I posted a video of, how to maintain and trim a short beard. And then like in 3 weeks, my mustache has already become separated back out. And I feel like my beard's gotten quite a bit longer. So we'll be trimming it soon. So I don't know how far I'll go, but I may kind of keep it at this particular length. It depends. I want to keep it short enough that when I wear my coats and stuff for the winter time and sit down and move my head, it doesn't mess my beard up. So as long as I keep it above that, I think I'll be in good shape. So I've got 5 oils here, and then I've got an unscented butter, and then I've got an unscented balm as well. And I do have an unscented oil. So also, there's mustache wax, which I don't have. So let's talk about the prices really quickly. So your 1 ounce oil blend is $17.99. It's pretty easy to remember because everything's $17.99. 2 ounce butter, which is in a nice glass jar, is $17.99. And then we've got a 2 ounce balm, which is on the firmer side of medium, for sure. We'll talk about that a little more in just a minute, but it's also $17.99. And then you can get a 1 ounce mustache wax, which is $12.99. And let's see here, my mustache is just about to need it, I think. You can also get a sample pack of the, I think it's 4 oils, I think, for $24.99. It does have a new seasonal scent that is just become available through December, through the end of the year, which is called Noel. We'll be talking about that more in just a minute. But the oil blend is really impressive. To me, I think the big takeaway is the oil blend. And there's a lot of good things going on here. But to me, the biggest pro for WesWy, by the way, WesWy is named after the owner, Zach's twin boys. So Weston and Wyatt, I believe it is. So that's where the name comes from. That's why there's 2 capital W's. Well, if you didn't know that, it's like weird. What is the name? What is this name? Why is the company called that? But once you know, it makes more sense. So as I was saying, the oil blend is very impressive. So it's argan, emu, golden jojoba, hemp seed, and sweet almond. And it is a really, really good combination. The emu is not super heavy on the emu. I think it's less than 50%, if I remember correctly. So it's not a really heavy emu blend. You can see it's a little bit, well, you may not can see, but it's a little bit cloudy, but not super cloudy. Very impressive. To me, coming right out of the gate, this goes to the top shelf as far as oil blends fill in beard for me. All right. So I wanted to get that out of the way. And then we got to dial down into the scents, which we'll do in just a minute. But I want to go ahead and talk about the butter. So the butter has got those same ingredients from the oil blend on it, but it also has shea butter, and then it has coconut oil and some beeswax in it. Don't let the beeswax throw you off here, because with this, with the butter, it's just a little bit of beeswax and it comes right out. I mean, it comes right out. You don't even have to use the back of your fingernail or anything like that. So super easy to get out, super easy to work with. Obviously, it's going to feel good as well because it's got that good carrier blend, and it does. So it feels good for sure. And then the balm is exactly what you want out of a balm. It is, it's going to hold your beard. So for me, it is not quite firm, medium firm, but leaning towards the firm, but still easy to work with. Easy to work with on that. Now, I will say, I've got the plain Jane, the unscented. I do in both of these smell, I think it's the beeswax, that refined, purified beeswax, white beeswax, if you will. I kind of smell that. So I don't know how much that would bleed through on the scented one. So I don't have an unscented one to share with you guys, but I might be ordering some more. But hopefully I'll be getting some more WesWy in the future, as I really like what's going on over there. So next up, let's talk about the scent. So I have 5 of them. So from this direction to this direction, which is my left to right. It may not be left to right. It might be right to left on your screen. Whew. Get a little bit confused here staring at the camera. But we've got backwoods. We've got saddle up. We've got front porch sipping. We've got sun dropping, and we've got the Noel, which is the seasonal scent. So let's go through those. And so we've got front porch sipping, which is bourbon and lavender, which I don't know if I've ever seen lavender put with a bourbon scent like that. It works really, really well. pretty potent. You get kind of the bourbon scent, the kind of sweeter bourbon, and then you get the lavender, and that's really what you get out of it. So if that sounds like something that you enjoy, if you enjoy lavender scents, you enjoy bourbon scents, that's one to try out. These scents are, I would say, medium, and depends on which one and if you're sensitive to a certain thing. So for me, the front porch sipping and the Saddle Up, which is leather, those two scents were a little stronger than the other three for me. So that you're definitely getting all day out of those. The other ones are more just kind of a medium type of scent, which is the kind I prefer. But Saddle Up is leather, bourbon, Cuban tobacco, and vanilla. And really, I just get the leather out of it, kind of the sweeter kind of leather. Yeah, like a sofa kind of leather. Something like that. You get a little bit more of that when you first warm it up and put it in beard, but leather is what keeps going on the longest for me. So if you like the leather scents, Saddle Up. Next up, we've got Backwoods, which is your woodsy scent. It's like walking through the forest here in North Carolina because we've got a lot of pine trees, and this is pine and cedar wood. And I like this one. I don't usually like tons of pine. This one just works for me. It's a little bit on the sweeter kind of side when you first sniff it, and then it smooths out and you get a pretty good balance of pine and cedar wood and just a little bit of sweetness to go along with that, so it's not quite so intense with that sharp evergreen kind of note to it. So if you like woodsy scents, now's the time of the year for it. You can check out Backwoods. And by the way, I'm kind of going in the order of my least favorite to favorite, just to let you know in the background, but everybody's nose is different about what you like. Next up, we've got one that's a little bit more unique. There's a few scents like this on the market, but it's sun dropping. It's more of your lemon, lime, green mandarin, bergamot, sweet orange. So it's kind of like your Mountain Dew, mellow yellow. In the South here in North Carolina, we have something called Sun Drop, which is very similar to mellow yellow Mountain Dew. That's kind of what you get when you sniff it. Not super strong, but so it's a nice one, just a little bit sweet, but pretty much you get a Mountain Dew mellow yellow kind of scent in your beards. If you think that sounds good to you, definitely want to try that out. I know a lot of guys like that one. And then for me, my favorite is the newest one, which is called Noel. And this one is kind of your woodsy minty scent. When Zach sent this stuff out and I started smelling it and uses like, you're going to be featured in a lot of videos. So if you haven't went back and checked those out, I did one that featured different emu blends, and I had to feature WesWy because it was really, really good. We did one last week, I think it was, or maybe it was the week before, best woodsy minty scents. This one was on the list because I really like it. I think you're going to see this scent for me on the top scents of the year kind of video that'll be coming out soon. So this one is pine, peppermint, eucalyptus, and tea tree. So if you like those kind of woodsy minty scents, you want to check it out. If you haven't ever tried out a woodsy minty scent, this one would be a perfect one to try out because of the feel in beard and all of that. But yeah, I love it. I use these all year long. I definitely like this one as well for nighttime use. That's another thing that I really like about that particular profile. For me, a woodsy minty, anything minty scent like that, with a little bit of woods in it, works for me for nighttime as well. So I do think I'm going to go back and pick up the butter on this one before the end of December. Oh, by the way, I wanted to share with you guys, Zach did share a discount code exclusive for you guys from watching this video. So it's Banjo10. So Banjo10. And also if you spend $50, you get free shipping. So everything right there is pretty much market average with the prices. What's not market average is the feel in beard with the blends on the carrier blend. And then also, and for me, this particular scent is above and beyond. I know a lot of guys really like the sun dropping scent as well. I would like to see a little bit more complexity with the scents over the next couple years. And I think that's probably going to happen for sure. Because, you got some basic kind of bourbon scents, leather scents, those kind of things, which works well. A lot of guys love it. You need to have it in your arsenal. I want to see just a little more complexity. And a couple of things that interest me is the last one. This newest one is one of the most complex, I think. So I think the process is already starting. So I'm interested to see where Zach takes the scents. It already has a wonderful thing going with the blends. Check out WesWy. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite or which sounds the best to you. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you on the next video.